So what's going on in markets now? We have a stronger dollar in the post-Fed reaction. We had a few Fed officials, Jeffrey Lacker, James Bullard, and most importantly, Dennis Lockhart, supporting 2015 rate hike, echoing what Yellen said. So despite the Fed not hiking and worrying about China, we do expect a rate hike. That's what's pushing up the dollar. Regarding euro dollar, we have ECB QE on the cards. It means we already have the ECB buying 60 billion euros per month, due to end in September 2016, but we expect the ECB to extend this. We're getting more hints. We got yesterday a few hints from ECB officials. The big event is the speech of Mario Draghi tomorrow, the testimony. That's already pushing the euro down. We'll talk tomorrow if it's already priced in or not towards Draghi's speech, because he may say just something that was already priced in, that they might do more, and then euro might go up because on the buy the rumor, sell the fact. That's a big theme that's pushing euro dollar down. Latest figures from Australia just this morning. Now it's already afternoon in Australia. We had housing that looks good. You mentioned that Australia is is weighed by the Chinese crisis, by falling commodity prices, falling copper, falling iron ore prices, but the domestic economy is not too shabby, as they say. It's unemployment is okay there, housing is okay now. The big event for the next 24 hours is data from China, the Caixin manufacturing PMI, the preliminary figure for September. That has an impact on the Fed, on Australia, on the whole world. If we have good data from China, the Fed can hike and other central banks can be at ease as well. But if the whole world is going down and China is taking us down there, we have a lot to worry. Of course, it impacts a lot stock markets. For today, we have just a few not so important figures. In the UK, we soon have, we had public sector net borrowing. Let me see how that came out. So this figure from the UK came out worse than expected, a deficit of 11.3 billion pounds. Let's see if it has any impact on, let's go back to the sharing the screen, a figure that was released during the show. Well, the pound actually is going up. We're seeing a general trend during the show of selling the US dollar, so this figure did not have much of an impact. We have later on consumer confidence, another speech by Lockhart, and as aforementioned, we have Chinese manufacturing PMI as the big event for the next 24 hours. Let me, what else? Basically, the biggest, as I mentioned before, the biggest themes in the markets are echoes from the Fed. This was highly anticipated and it has impact for a longer period of time. And the ECB's next move. That's the theme for tomorrow, Draghi's speech.